Wednesday. We've had all of these cars since Monday, so we're just gonna go through and show you guys what we're doing to them. Obviously the doors are completely off of this Plaid. It's a 2022 Plaid Model S. We did the door jambs. This is one that we've kind of talked about a little bit in videos before. I said I was excited for. We're going gloss red to gloss black. It's gonna be a full custom printed fade wrap with the gradient gonna be on the doors. Obviously the doors are going to be back on the car. But then we have this Rivian. It's Rivian number 1. This is going full gloss Expel Ultimate Plus PPF, which we're gonna get started on today. Should be done Thursday night, so we should be good on that. And then we have this BMW iX50 that we're also doing full body gloss PPF on. We're just about done with it. Just need to reassemble, and then we have the rear end to finish up. So just the trunk, rear bumper, tidy everything up, put it back together. It'll be all done and good to go. Taylor really likes those grills there, the giant ones. Then we also have another Rivian number 2. This one's getting full front end PPF as well as a ceramic coating all the way around that's getting picked up today. So we're just about done with it, and then she'll be gone. But yeah, that's it. That's all we have right now. I'm sure we'll film some content, especially of that Model S for you guys. I'm super excited about that one. It's going to turn out really cool. All right, so we just finished up the Model S Plaid fade wrap. I think it turned out super cool. We did a bunch of stuff. Obviously, the fade wrap is all done. We did all of the body kit as well, front lips, side skirts, and diffuser. We painted his front and rear T as well, and then all of the window tint all around. So 4 sides, rear window, sunroof, and front windshield. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, we just finished up another Rivian. I believe we did a little bit of an intro, showed this one. This is what, Rivian number 5 total? Taylor, do you know? 5?
I think 5 or 6.
Let's go with 5. I think it's the 5th Rivian we've worked on. This one got full Expel Ultimate Plus PPF along the full body, so everything in silver is all done, as well as this black bumper, all the headlights. Taylor's gonna get some content for you guys. Hope you enjoy. Alright, we just finished up another Rivian R1T. We did full stealth PPF again on it. I'm sure you guys have seen the black one we did. This is that blue color, but we're super stoked how it came out, so we hope you guys enjoy it.